In this short video, I will explain the concept of Tpack. Tpack has the domains of technological, pedagogical, and content knowledge. When these domains are in balance, you have one amazing teacher. Let me illustrate what I mean by drawing a few circles. These circles will represent the different domains. Let's start with a pink circle and label it with a T for technological knowledge. Technological knowledge is the ability to use software, apps, laptops, tablets, and other types of learning technologies. There are other domains of knowledge as well. The next one is content knowledge. I will put a C in the circle for content knowledge. Examples of this would be a high school art teacher has content knowledge in art, or a high school science teacher has content knowledge in science. This circle represents the last idea or domain, pedagogical knowledge. This is how to teach. For instance, you may be an expert in geology, but you may not know how to teach geology. Or if you're an expert in calculus, you may not know how to teach calculus. When two of the circles overlap, they create a subdomain of knowledge. The first subdomain I will go over is where pedagogical and content knowledge overlap. This is called PCK, which is where pedagogical knowledge and content knowledge meet to allow you to effectively teach that specific content knowledge. There are other subdomains as well. For instance, where technological knowledge meets content knowledge, a subdomain called TCK is created. In this area, you know the technology and how it relates to your content knowledge. So if you teach science, you know how to use technology to support your research in that field. Finally, there is technological pedagogical knowledge, or TPK, in which you know how to use technology to support your teaching, but you do not have content knowledge. Beginning teachers often fall into this category. They are tech-savvy and have learned pedagogical practice, but they do not understand the content they are teaching. The whole idea of Tpack is striving to achieve balance among these three domains. When technology, pedagogy, and content knowledge work together in a very complicated way to support great teaching and learning, we call this the sweet spot. That sweet spot is Tpack.